doing? This couch is couching
What?
my ass.
Yo, still.
Yo.
Join the family. What's up, guys? I'm here at IKEA with my two boys, Alice
and Jules.
Oh, I thought you were gonna say my name.
We're just here shopping for some furniture for our new house, and yeah, let's start.
Yeah.
No, the thing is, cause like I painted my room already. It's just I didn't get to choose the color of it, right?
Oh.
My dad got the color for me, so.
So what color did you get?
Painted
It's
it
like-
invisible.
It's like this like greenish color, and
Also, my old room, like before I painted it white.
You painted? You
no,
just
no,
painted your
no,
room?
it's like
You're allowed to, yeah.
it's like this green, that green.
Oh, that's a nice green.
Yeah, so like part of the reason why I wanted to come to IKEA was like I could look at other rooms that were greenish.
Dude, looking around, it's looking pretty nice.
Really?
Yeah. 2-pack for $4.99.
Succulents.
Oh. Wait,
Oh,
no way.
here.
Is that actually?
Yeah.
3-pack.
It says 3-pack for $4.99.
Okay.
What do you mean is that actually?
I guess I'll get
Is
one
there
then.
tax on the plants? They're not plants, so like.
I like them.
Jules, is your
Do it. What are you doing?
I don't know. I just keep turning on and off the lights. I don't know what I'm doing.
You're gonna turn on every fucking room's music and just laugh on it.
I really. You think you're becoming one with the couch?
Just,
Give them up, like the ones that you.
Look like I'm on a bridge.
it's 2 for $50. No, this one's not bad.
Hey guys, so we're at the dock right now.
Nope. Psych.
Oh, we're back at IKEA. Oh man.
Oh,
He was holding my hand. See, the thing with this couch is oh my. All in the family. Wait,
Wow.
how do you have 2 feet? Wait, I mean,
What? What did you say? What did you just say?
not one of my baddest moments.
This as a vlog room. Holy.
Salt and pepper and like both come out, right?
It's my call.
Just saying.
Yo, we should go to the. Jules, we should go to the next section.
Like, I like the modern stuff here. I want my room to be kind of like.
There's a real meeting going on there.
I know, it's just.
No, but just bad heads. They're bad heads. They're just bad.
They're Bedouins. Say, what's up, guys? It's Bedouin here.
Hey guys, welcome to my drug shop.
All right, so I'm gonna give you a little fade, okay? And give you a little yeet.
I'm gonna make you look beautiful, darling. Okay?
What do you mean I am
We're gonna get you. We're gonna get you some foundation on. You know, on the side. We're gonna get you some highlight.
Side on the beard. Make it skin color so you can't see it. It's a pretty nice mirror, isn't it?
That's yours.
It is a throwback.
Which song is this?
Ready?
Oh.
Yeah.
It's stapled to the code.
Damn, look at this beauty.
I'm so comfortable. I heard you're at the strip. Oh no,
Say
wait.
what?
I'm almost done to strip. It's my job. It's my job, right? It's my job.
African wine so
Hi.
I pressed minus. I pressed minus to turn on the music and change the song.
It's time I let you go. It's time I let you go.
Look at the pillows.
Lemongrass gang.
I said in it.
Dude, everything smells really weird in here. I'm uncomfortable.
Does it smell like Lemongrass.
Artificiality.
Lemongrass.
Grass game.
It's 8. It's 8. It's 8, and then we have one more.
Lemongrass gang.
Isn't that a really? You said you wanted a lamp, right?
You just there,
You
dog.
can get the yellow one.
Well, we made it. We finally got like one thing out of that entire IKEA trip.
It was like 2-3 hours.
It's time I let you go.